Number 1. 1999 Ford F350, price $8,000. It has been driven for 440,000 miles. It features a powerful 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and 4x4 capability, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty tasks in towing. The truck has a silver exterior and a gray interior, and it runs and drives great with no mechanical issues. Over the past 4 years, it has served as a dependable work truck and tow vehicle. The current owner has kept it up to date on all maintenance, and it does not burn fluids or have any leaks. Within the last 20,000 miles, several key components have been replaced with new parts, including the sway bar linkage, muffler, front and rear leaf springs, transmission lines, starter, carrier bearing, injector driver module, and rear brakes. A brand new windshield was also installed recently on March 10, 2025. Number 2. 1985 Dodge D150, price $6,850. This is a classic pickup that runs and drives great. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline engine. The exterior and interior are both finished in brown, giving it a timeless, vintage look. With just 60,300 miles showing on the dash, the truck is remarkably clean for its age and well-preserved overall. In addition to its solid condition, the vehicle comes with a full box of extra parts and add-ons, providing great value for anyone looking to maintain or customize the truck further. An additional rear bumper, believed to be original, is also included. It's a standout example of an older truck that has been clearly cared for over the years. Number 3. 1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000. With 101,300 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 350 engine paired with a 4L60 automatic transmission, it uses gasoline as fuel and features a matching red exterior and interior. The air conditioning and heater both work perfectly, providing comfort in all seasons. A new stereo has been installed, along with a new transfer case output seal and a new fuel pump. It has also recently received a full tune-up, excluding only the cap and rotor. Everything on the truck is in working condition. The interior is in excellent shape, though the headliner is missing. On the exterior, there is some body damage and the paint on the hood is peeling, but there is no major rust anywhere. The tires are still in decent condition, with approximately half their tread life remaining. Number 4. 1981 Ford F100, price $6,800. This is a solid and reliable classic, powered by a 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and is 100% mechanically sound, with absolutely no issues, ready to hit the road without any worries. The exterior is finished in gray, complemented by a striking red interior, giving it a timeless and bold look. The truck features true dual exhausts that are dumped at the differential, delivering a deep, aggressive tone. Extensive bodywork has already been completed, including the removal of all rust, and the vehicle is now prepped and ready for paint. A significant amount of work has been done to bring this truck to its current condition, too much to list, but it's clear that no corners were cut in its restoration. Number 5. 1970 International i200, price $3,500. It has been driven for 96,200 miles and is finished in a clean white exterior. Under the hood, it features a reliable 304 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a solid and engaging driving experience. The truck runs and drives well, although the carburetor could benefit from some adjustment for optimal performance. Recent maintenance includes a rebuilt carburetor, a new fuel pump and filter, as well as fresh spark plugs, wires, cap, and rotor. It also comes with a brand new battery. Equipped with dual fuel tanks, both of which are fully functional, this vehicle is ready for extended drives. The interior, while showing some signs of age and brittleness, remains in impressive condition considering the truck's 54-year age. There is some rust around the cab area, but overall, the body remains solid and true to its vintage character. Number 6. 1992 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,800. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a clean gray interior, it comes with a clean title and a strong 5.7L V8 gas engine under the hood. The truck has 88,200 miles on the odometer, though the mileage is exempt due to the age of the vehicle and may not be entirely accurate. It features an automatic transmission, good tires, and cold air conditioning, though the AC operates via a toggle switch. The vehicle starts up easily, runs and drives well, and has a dark window tint that adds both style and comfort. Inside and out, it's clean and well kept, though the radio currently doesn't power on. While this isn't a show truck, it's a great option for someone looking for a dependable ride with a bit of character. The suspension rides a little rough, but nothing unexpected for a truck of this vintage.
Number 7.
1983 Ford F150, price $6,000. This is an all-original, well-maintained truck with 86,000 miles. It features a red exterior and matching red interior, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 351W V8 paired with a C6 automatic transmission, it runs and drives great. The current owner is the second owner and has had the truck for about 6 months, driving it around 500 to 1,000 miles. The fuel system has been completely replaced, from the gas caps to the carburetor. Brakes have been serviced all around, including new front rotors. The engine and transmission were recently pulled and resealed. However, the harmonic balancer seal may have been installed incorrectly and leaks a small amount of oil. It has new tires all around and a clean title in hand. Mechanically solid, it just needs a bit of cosmetic work to be perfect.
Number 8.
1979 Ford F150, price $4,300, with only 50,000 miles driven. This classic pickup features a sleek black exterior matched with a clean black interior, offering a timeless and bold look. It runs on gasoline and comes equipped with an automatic transmission for a smooth driving experience. The vehicle has been well maintained, with several new parts installed to ensure reliability and performance. Notable upgrades include a brand new gas tank, fresh carpet in the cabin, a new distributor, and recently replaced spark plug wires. The truck is also fitted with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, enhancing engine performance. Additional new components include the ignition module, brake cylinder, key switch, and a set of rugged 31x 10.50 or 15 tires. The title is clean, and the price is negotiable, making this a solid opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a dependable vintage truck.
Number 9.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has 135,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, silver exterior, and tan interior. It runs and drives well, with only surface rust underneath, no rot. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, front brake pads, rotors, calipers, hoses, a new transmission shaft seal, thermostat with coolant flush, idle air control valve, and a timing adjustment.
It also has new aero wheels and tires installed over the summer.
Heat works great, and the truck can come with subwoofers in the back not yet wired. Minor issues include a brief knocking noise from the HVAC blend door on start or stop, wipers that only work on high speed, and occasional transmission hesitation under 40 miles per hour. Above 45 miles per hour, it drives smoothly with no issues.
Number 10.
1983 GMC Sierra 2500, price $7,500. This is a classic diesel truck with only 68,100 miles and a clean Texas title.
It's powered by a 6.2L diesel engine with a Banks turbo and an automatic transmission, making it a strong and reliable ride.
The brown exterior and interior give it a timeless look, and it's equipped with a vintage air AC and heating system that works better than most new trucks. Recent upgrades include a rebuilt transmission with less than 1,000 miles, new rubber weather seals, bushings, a Rancho steering stabilizer, and Goodyear all-terrain tires with under 500 miles. It also features chrome roll bars with KC lights, needs wiring, a grille guard with 2 KC highlights, a worn winch, power locks and windows, and a block heater for cold starts. For a fun touch, it has a Dixie musical air horn installed, with the original horns still in place.